Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. Today we are going to make Rasam Masala powder, which is medicated and used for curries and even how in making rasam. And rasam is one of the best remedy for those who have a cold, fever or flu. And this is very medicated. The spices used in this rasam powder, it is really medicational, and I wish that you would watch till the end how I do this powder and what are the ingredients and the spices that I'll be using. So for those who are new, welcome aboard, and those who have been with me, thank you very much. And without further delay, let's get into the kitchen and let's check out how this rasam powder is to be made. To begin our rasam powder or the masala mix for rasam, so we have to roast the ingredients first, as I'm using 5 dry chili, 1/8 cup of tur dal or tuvar dal, 1/8 cup of black peppercorn, half a cup of coriander seeds, and 1/8 cup of cumin seeds, a sprig of curry leaves, and we will roast them until the curry leaves get dried out. So it is a dry roast, so we will roast them on a medium-low flame until everything gets roasted. And even the fragrance of the masala, the spices will come out. So this is the first step. And I think I have to break down the chili, so it will be easier for me when I grind in the next process. And it looks like it's already been roasted. Curry leaves is already dried out, and at this point we can transfer them into another plate and let it cool off before we do the next step. And at this, before I transfer it into the plate, I will add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder and give it just a quick mix. As long, and you can see the smoke is coming out and it's time to be moved. And our masala for rasam is ready, and now we can just cool it off. So our roasted masalas are already been cooled off and it's time to grind. I'll be grinding the first batch. And dear viewers, the powder does not has to be extremely super fine. It has to be a little coarse, and at this point this is perfect actually, but I would like to give a quick one, about few seconds of grinding, then I'm going to transfer out. And dear viewers, our rasam powder or the rasam masala powder is ready. And now we can just store them in a mason jar or a glass container like this with a good lid. And after that, you can store them in your fridge, and you can double this recipe or triple this recipe according to your choice. And you can, after roasting and grinding, you can keep them in your fridge for a long time, at least approximately a couple of months. It depends on how often you make your rasam dishes. This is not only used for rasam, but it is also used for some other curries as well. and in my other videos I'll be showing you that I'll be using this powder as well. So thank you very much for watching this video. For those who are new, welcome aboard, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And for those who have been with me, thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.